Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if this, this, and this are the probabilities of three mutually exclusive events, then find the set of all values of P. Mutually exclusive means it doesn't depend upon anything else. Okay, means there is nothing in intersection. Okay, now look at this. So suppose that these are three probabilities of something. Okay, so can I say that, sir, it would be 1 plus 3p by 3 plus 1 minus p by 4 plus 1 minus 2p by 2 should be less than or equal to 1, because max to max probability can be 1 only now. Okay, then we have this condition that, sir, if this first is the probability, so it will range from 1 plus 3p by 3 will range from 0 to 1. The second probability 1 minus p by 4 will range from again 0 to 1. 1 minus 2p by 2 will range from 1 0 to 1, correct? So what I will do, first I will solve this inequality and then we will take intersection thing. Okay, so let's break down the first part first. So if you will observe, I will leave first component as it is, 1 plus 3p by 3, and then plus the denominator would be 4, and then 1 minus p plus 2 minus 4p less than equal to 1. Okay, now I'll multiply both sides by 12. What will happen? Look at this. So it is 4 12p plus, this is 3, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, and then it is 5p minus 5p, so 5 15p. Okay, and then we have 12. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now can I send this thing that side? So it is minus of 3p, so minus of 3p will go that side, it will become plus of 3p. It is minus plus 13, so plus 13 will go that side, it will become minus 13. So 12 minus 13 is 1, greater than equal to. So from this we got this idea that the p will be ranging from 1 by 3 greater than 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the first component we solved. Now we will solve these three things. So first thing, I'll multiply all side by 3. So we will have 0 less than equal to 1 plus 3p less than equal to 3, and then minus 1. So minus 1 3p, and then we have 2, and then minus 1 by 3 less than equal to p less than equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now we will solve next component. So in next component we have to multiply by 4. So 0 1 minus p, and then we have 4. Now I'll multiply all side by negative because I have to change the sign of p. So you know, if we will multiply by negative sign of inequality will change. Okay, minus 4, and then we will add 1 all side. So 1 p minus 3. Can I say that p will range from minus 3 to 1? So this thing we got if we will solve second idea. Now we have to solve third idea 2 times. So I'll multiply by 2 less than equal to 1 minus 2p, 1 minus 2p less than equal to 2. So what I'll do, first I'll subtract 1. So minus 1 less than equal to minus 2p, less than equal to 1. Now I'll multiply by minus 1 by 2. So it will become 1 by 2. Sign of inequality will change, and then minus 1 by 2. So P will range from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So this is your fourth inequality. Now we have to take intersection of everything. Okay, so just be focused and let's put everything on the number line. So we have first, it is 1 by 3. And then we have minus 3. So suppose minus 3 is somewhere here. Then we have 1. 1 will be somewhere here. Then minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 will be somewhere here. 2 by 3 will be somewhere here. And minus 1 by 2. Okay. So it is 1 by 2. It is minus 1 by 2. We put everything. So first idea is greater than this. So from here to this. So this is first room. Then we have second room. Second room is minus 1 by 3 say 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. Wait. I moved beyond. Okay. So minus 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. Then we have minus 3 to 1. Minus 3 to 1. Okay. Wait. This minus 2 is smaller. Okay. If numerator is bigger, I think I plotted the wrong point. It is 1 by 2. Okay, it is minus 1 by 2. Okay, and then we have the last component, that is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is somewhere here, plus 1 by 2 is somewhere here. Okay, now required value. So you will consider the room in which all 4 persons stay. So look at this room. In this room, no one stays. So reject. In this room, only one person whose name is Blue stays. Reject. This is blue and some pink. Reject. In this room, 3 persons stays. In this room, 4 persons stays. That is 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. Yes. Yes. And then next room 3 person, next room 2 person, next room 1 person. So the required value of P is from 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.